Good morning, class 6. Let's start. Next page number 37. Topic name is aquatic plants. Before we start this page, please note it down. Second unit test syllabus. You have to prepare from page number 37 to 46. Page number 37 to 46 you have to prepare for second unit test. Let's start page number 37, that is aquatic plants. First, understand the definition of aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are plants that live and grow in the water. The plants which live in the water are known as aquatic plants. They include submerged plants, floating plants, amphibious plants. Amphibious plant means the plants which are able to live on land also, as well as they are able to live in water also, and also heliophilic plants. Now move to the first topic, that is before we start the first, read the description of the following aquatic plants and write their names. Take help from the given clues. So clues are given, we have to take help of these clues and you have to write the correct answer. The first is, this aquatic plant is carnivorous. Carnivorous means those feeding on the animals. They eat only meat. They live in a fresh water and use its tiny capsules which have opening on them to catch the prey. The name of this plant is bladderwort. Now move to second one, that is, this submerged aquatic plant has a slender stems which is branched so that the long and thread-like leaves look like bushy cluster floating on the surface of the water. These are the thread-like leaves. The name of this plant is sago pondweed. Now move to the third one. This common aquarium plant has leaves arising in the cluster from its root. It is generally recommended for large tank. This is mostly seen in the large tank. The name of this plant is Vallisneria. And the next one is this fast floating, fast growing. The growth of this plant is very fast. Aquatic flowering plant has several fine leaves that form a cone-like structure. They look like a cone-like structure on each stem. The name of this plant is hornwort. Now next one is, this floating plant has roots submerged in the water. The roots are in the water. Its thick soft leaves can be up to 14 centimeter long and has no stem. The answer of this plant is water cabbage. Now next one is, some species of these floating plants with yellow or white flowers are aquatic weeds. On these plants you are able to see yellow and white flowers. The name of this plant is floating heart. Floating heart. Now move to seventh one. It is the largest seaweed on the earth. Underline this, largest seaweed on earth. It can grow about 60 centimeters per day if the conditions are ideal. It can reach a length of over 30 meters in a year. In a year, it can reach a length of 30 meters. The name of this plant is Gant kelp. Now move to last one, this free floating plant. This is free floating plant, does not have leaves or stem. It grows in stagnant water. Stagnant means still water. It spread rapidly and kills other plant growing in the area of blocking sunlight. The name of this plant is duckweed. So learn this page, note it down the answers, and now move to know more. Very important. Learn this also. No more is eelgrass, underline this, a type of submerged aquatic vegetarian, support the life cycle of many fish and shellfish. This is important, learn it also and learn this page, complete it on your books. Thank you so much, have a good day.